Techx City's Laser Grip 749 Infrared Thermometer is the perfect tool to quickly and accurately measure any surface temperature, from frying pans to car engines. Setting up the laser grip is quick and easy. All you have to do is open the battery cover and remove the battery. Then connect the battery to the battery terminals and slide it back in. Make sure all the wires are securely tucked inside the battery cover before you close it. The durable handle is designed to seamlessly fit in your hand. It's made out of ABS plastic, which makes it less slippery, so you can enjoy a firm grip. The Laser Grip 749 has a 12-to-1 distance to spot ratio, which means you can enjoy precise measurements from greater distances. For example, you can use the Laser Grip 749 to measure how hot your pan is before you start cooking. Once you've measured, you can easily switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius to get the right reading. It features a convenient LCD display, so you can easily read your results or change your settings. You can also turn off the LCD display to conserve battery. Since the handle is made out of durable ABS plastic, it's easy to clean when you're done using it. Remember, the Laser Grip 749 only measures surface temperature, and you'll get inaccurate readings if you try to measure internal temperature. Never point the laser at another human or animal. It can be harmful if it comes in contact with the eyes. No matter what surface temperature you're trying to measure, Techx City's Laser Grip 749 is the perfect tool for the job.
If you need both an infrared thermometer for quick surface scans and a contact thermometer for superheat, subcooling, or other contact and ambient measurements, choose the Fluke 561 multi-purpose thermometer. It combines both measurement capabilities in one lightweight, easy-to-use tool to save you time and from having to invest in multiple temperature inspection tools. Use the infrared thermometer for inspecting motors, bearings, electrical connections, ducts, and vents. The easy emissivity adjustment ensures high accuracy when measuring a variety of materials, including shiny surfaces. Single-point laser sighting clearly marks the measurement target, either close up or farther away. To save calculation time, you can view the actual as well as the maximum, minimum, and differential temperatures in either degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit in the backlit display. For easy contact measurements and to verify infrared readings, the 561 also includes a Velcro pipe probe. Or use an industry-standard K-type thermocouple you already have for a variety of contact and ambient measurements. Fluke, keeping your world up and running.
The Techx City Laser Grip 630 Infrared Thermometer puts professional-grade temperature measurement in the palm of your hands. This essential tool gives you the ability to diagnose any problem at home with hassle-free setup, live temperature readings, and laser-guided accuracy. Find faulty air vents at home using the high and low temperature alarms. Perfectly position your oven rack with the help of the average temperature function to ensure your food is fully cooked, and diagnose car engine problems with the maximum and minimum temperature setting. The Laser Grip 630 also takes accuracy to a new level with a 16-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio, supported by dual laser pointers. Setting up the Laser Grip is easy and requires no calibration. Simply install the battery, aim the device, and press the trigger to view instant measurements. While taking measurements, keep in mind that different surfaces have different emissivity levels. Adjusting the emissivity level on the Laser Grip 630 always guarantees more accurate results. By using the Laser Grip 630 to perform routine maintenance on everyday household items, you'll be able to save on costly and unnecessary repairs. Now that's building on better living.